Hello children, today I am going to discuss about this story, okay? So today we will learn story of the greedy dog. The greedy dog. Okay, you have seen white dogs? Yes, black dogs, brown dogs, small dogs, big dogs. But what is greedy dog? Greedy means someone wants many things at a time. He wants this, that, and everything for him, and don't like to share with anyone. Okay, it means greedy. We can say lalchi dog, है ना? Okay. So, are you ready to listen to the story of the greedy dog? Okay, story about a dog. He's very greedy. Let us start, and then we will learn these words. Okay, here is a dog, and he is very happy to find bun and says, I want my favorite bun. Okay, and he started going back home happily, and while crossing a bridge, you can see the picture? Yes, and while crossing the bridge, he looked into the water. Look at here, my dear children. So he looked into the water. What did he see? Yes, he saw one more dog and having one more bun in his mouth. Look here, okay? And dog is very greedy. I told you na, dog is very greedy. He wanted many more things. Okay. So he thought, I want that bun also. I want that bun also. So he decided to bark at that dog and scare him and snatched that bun. Okay, with bow 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 bow. है ना? So what he decided? कि I want that bun. है ना? So and he started bow 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 bow. But when he opened his mouth, the bun fell in the water, and now dog understood that was not any other dog in the water. That was not any other dog in the water, but his whole image. But his all image. Now children, you tell me. Okay, you tell me. When you look into the mirror, what do you find? Yes, one more child inside the mirror. No, you see your all image, है ना? So something happened to the dog, the greedy dog, है ना? Greedy dog. Same thing happened to dog, greedy dog. He became very sad. Okay, he became very sad. Look like he became very sad and went back home with hungry stomach. Oh yes, and went back home with hungry stomach. Okay, so dear children, what did you learn from this story? What is the moral of the story? Listen, we should be happy with what we have. We should not be greedy. Okay, हमें लालची नहीं होना चाहिए. हमें जो हमारे पास जो है हमें उसी में खुश होना चाहिए. Okay, like if your mother gives you 1 or 2 mangoes now in a day to eat, so be happy with that. Don't ask for 5 and 10 mangoes, otherwise you will get stomach pain, stomach. So complete the story with words from the box. Here is 8 words: water, falls, bun, dog, bridge, mouth, box, and greedy. And we have to fill in the blanks with help of these words. So a little dog is walking. Here is right here dog across a bridge. He has a bun in his mouth. He looks down at the water. He sees another dog. He is holding a bun too. The little dog wants the other bun too. He opens his mouth and barks at the other dog. The bun in his mouth falls into the water. The little dog is left with no bun. He was a greedy dog. He lost what he had. Okay, so you have to write here these words using these words and complete it. Okay.